Video tutorial. This time I will discuss how to install Flutter. Download first. His Flutter. How to open browser. I use Google Chrome. Type here, Flutter. This one. Select Install Flutter. Then we install the manual. You can download the Flutter here. Click this one. After successfully downloaded, we will install. I have downloaded it. So don't lose it, I'll copy it. Move it to C. Well, we'll do it in this C folder, we name SCC. I pasted it. Next, we extract. After we extract, we see in the SRC folder, there is one folder, which is this Flutter. We just delete it. This is a folder that we have extracted. Be her folder Flutter. Well, next, we're going to edit its environment system. In a way, select Edit in Environment Variable System. Well, here we select Environment Variable. This is a path. We just edit. Well, here we add a new. We click New. Here we take from this Flutter folder. Then, bin. Well, here we copy. Next, we paste it here, yeah. Okay. Okay. Click then. Okay, right then, okay. Then okay. Well, now let's see. The Flutter is installed. We click. Well, just type here Flutter Doctor. Wait for the process, yeah. There are packages to download. Well, now we see. They're all ready. With a check like this. This one.